Hello, welcome to the next session of Dhtml, and this it is explaining you about the dynamic web pages creation. In the last class, we have seen the attribute ID using the collections or and how to move an object using different types of events by clicking on load or by clicking on a button, whatever it is. So now we are going to see about the new concept in the HTML, that is event handling. So this one of the key to create the dynamic web pages is can be happen by the event handler. So this event handler will need the response given by the user. This event handler allows to execute the code which should be given by the user. So it says that uh, either the response may be either with the help of mouse movements, as the browser is a graphical user interface, or either with the help of buttons or key clicks. The input will be given. So this can be happened only with the help of event handlers. So how do we assign the event handlers? Let us see this. So the event handlers are of several different types, but as per our syllabus, we are having two different types. One is HTML tag attributes and the second one is scripting. Coming to HTML tag attributes, so if we see this, there are the two different types of attributes, HTML tag attributes, on mouse over, on mouse out. So these are the some of the event handling key functionalities using mouse. So when I keep a particular mouse on particular text, or when I keep my mouse out from the text, automatically it should change its background color and it should change its foreground color. That it explains here. So scripting is nothing but it is client side scripting. The event handling elements can be worked on behalf of client side scripting. So if I go for the next program, this is an example program for event handling. So I'm using here span tag. So here, so what I'm doing is I'm declaring a script type in that function. The name of the user defined function is highlight, passing a parameter called event. What is that? What is that? Let us see this. So what it says, get element by ID sample1. Here my attribute is sample1. On mouse over, on mouse over, whenever my mouse is on particular text, that should be highlighted. What is highlight? Highlight is a function here. So when my mouse is out on the particular text, a function called normal should be called. So if you identify these two lines are ended with semicolon. So what is the highlight function and what is a normal function? Let us see this. So this is the highlight function. When my mouse is on the text, that particular text background color should be green and the foreground color should be white. And particular text, if my mouse is out on the text, the background color should be blue and the foreground color should be orange. On what text? The text called sample element with mouse handlers. So normally it displays the background color blue, but when my mouse is on and when my mouse is out, the colors will be changed according to the event handling methods. Let us see the output. So this is on and this is off. So these are the two different types of outputs we can examine while executing a particular event handling HTML program. So here if you see this, on the next line it says on mouse over property is set to highlight and on mouse out property is set to normal. So these are the event handling methods, and the second type is about the event bubbling. So this event handling supports event bubbling. So what are the different types of events we can do? We have examined in the last few programs. Input type is equals to button, on click is equals to so and so function, value is equals to click. So on click is nothing but an event handler syntax. On click, when I click on a particular event with the help of the left mouse, it performs an event called on click, on submit, on reset, on focus, on blur, on mouse over, on mouse out, on mouse move, on change, on select, on resize, on move, on load, on unload, on error, on abort. Moreover, we have seen on click, on submit, and on mouse over, on mouse out, and on load, on unload. So these are the different types of event bubbling element sharing handling methods. So this each every event handler syntax is having its own importance. So we can use according to the usage in the HTML programming. So the next thing is about filters and transitions. So if I need to have some multimedia effects like glow, blur, or vertical display of particular text or horizontal display of particular text, then I can go for filters. So let us see the example. So this is an example for flip filter. One of the filter is flip. So what I'm doing is whatever the text I'm taking, that should be flipped vertically. So the text which I'm taking here will be flipped vertically. For that, I'm using the tag called div. Position is equals to absolute, top is equals to 50, right? Font family is equals to Arial. And what type of filter I am assigning here? I am assigning filter is equals to flip B. So let us see the output. So whatever the text I am taking, when I click on particular S, automatically it will be flipped vertically. I can use H, flip H. It will be turned horizontally. So let us see the next program. This see, before going to the next program, these are the different filters. So in the last program I have used this. You may use glow, or you may use X-ray, or you may use shadow, whatever it is. So these are the different types of filters. The different types of filters are alpha, blur, chroma, drop shadow, flip H, flip V, glow, gray, invert, mask, shadow, wave, X-ray, and light. So among all this, according to my web browser supporting of my web technology web page, so this can be applied. So I have executed by using glow also. I'll show you the output. So next example is about use of glow filter. So if you see here, glow color is equals to red, and how much the glow should be displayed, it should be up to 10. So a particular word welcome to third MSCS or a particular word should glow in red color with strength of 10. Let us see the output. So if you go for the output, see here, after clicking on yes, see, automatically the glow is in red color and the strength is 10. If the strength is 20, automatically the red color blurred part will be increasing. So this is about the concept of filtering, which is used to perform some multimedia actions. So the next part will be explained later. Thank you.